Just imagine what we all take for granted. A shower, a place to wash our clothes, a place to be able to sit where it's warm inside and have a conversation with a friend. We are lucky to have people who work and care, and I always say they lead with their heart. That's what it comes with when you're in human services. You lead with your heart because you understand how important the work that we do is. So on behalf of Governor Cuomo and everyone at OTDA, I'm pleased to be here to celebrate the event with Captain Community Human Services.
Captain's been around for 42 years. It started as a small grassroots program that volunteer-driven and was really focused on the social issues being hunger, homelessness, economic crisis, things that affect low-income and disadvantaged families and children.
A lot of these kids, they just don't know where to go for the help that they need. Even their families might not necessarily know where to go.
Through collaborative efforts across state government, New York has undertaken a multifaceted approach to address homelessness statewide that includes increased capital construction, improved service delivery, and innovative policy approaches.
The state and federal money that we receive to operate this program is essential for the work that we do. Without it, we would not be able to connect in the ways that we do with the young people of this community.
We really depend on organizations like this church and organizations like Captain because they are doing the work that really, really matters.
I would hope that we would put homelessness out of business someday.
Because doing it right, for the right reasons, is what we're about.
We're now going to be operating the drop-in center 2 days a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays. So that's going to give these kids an opportunity to have a place to go that's, trouble-free, drama-free. They can get a nice hot meal that our volunteers provide on Tuesdays, hygiene products, any clothing that's donated from people, and like us to talk to for services, or if they just need somebody to talk to about whatever's going on.
That's why I got in this field, so I can help kids and give them an opportunity that they never could imagine having.
We are excited to partner with Captain to offer these new services here at Fulton and Montgomery counties. Over the next 5 years, OTDA will make more than $800,000 available to Captain to support these efforts through our Solutions to End Homelessness Program, otherwise known as STEP. This funding will also support rapid rehousing services, which are designed to help individuals and families quickly exit homelessness and return to permanent, stable housing.